Do you know that the smartest AI is dumb without people? It is so easy to be lost in fear of the possible threats of AIs to our society, but none of these would be possible if there's no one to manipulate them. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become an integral part of our lives, revolutionizing various industries and enhancing our everyday experiences. From voice assistants and recommendation systems to self-driving cars and medical diagnostics, AI has showcased remarkable intelligence. However, despite its incredible capabilities, AI can also exhibit instances of being stupid, leaving us puzzled and questioning its reliability. In this video, we will explore the reasons behind AI's duality, understanding why it can be both smart and stupid at the same time. What makes these AI tools dumb sometimes? While AI is undeniably impressive when it comes to processing vast amounts of data and performing complex calculations, it often falls short in grasping the subtle nuances and ambiguities that humans effortlessly comprehend. Have you ever come across instances where AI misinterprets colloquial expressions or fails to pick up on cultural cues? AI's primary strength lies in its ability to crunch numbers and analyze data with lightning speed, but it struggles when it comes to understanding the intricacies of human language and culture. Colloquial expressions, idioms, and cultural references that are second nature to us can leave AI scratching its digital head. It's as if AI speaks a different language, relying solely on the literal interpretation of words and lacking the ability to discern underlying meanings. Imagine a situation where you're having a conversation with an AI-powered virtual assistant or chatbot. You might use a popular slang phrase or a playful metaphor, expecting the AI to grasp your intended meaning. However, instead of a clever response or a witty retort, you receive a baffling and unrelated answer. This happens because AI struggles to pick up on the context that's inherent in our everyday conversations. Furthermore, cultural cues can often be lost on AI systems. References to specific traditions, historical events, or even popular culture can be misinterpreted or completely overlooked. What might seem obvious to us based on our cultural background might be entirely foreign to AI, leading to confusion or inaccurate responses. These limitations in AI's context understanding can have implications in various areas. In customer service interactions, for example, AI-powered chatbots may fail to provide personalized and empathetic responses due to their inability to fully comprehend the emotional nuances of human communication. In content curation, AI algorithms may struggle to recommend culturally relevant and engaging content tailored to diverse audiences. Let's now explore another fascinating area where AI reveals its limitations: common sense. You know, that thing we humans often take for granted? Well, AI systems, despite their remarkable intelligence, frequently struggle when it comes to applying knowledge from one domain to another, leading to errors and, in some cases, truly bizarre outcomes. Common sense is the innate ability that humans possess to reason and make logical connections based on our understanding of the world. It allows us to draw upon our previous experiences and knowledge to make sense of new situations, even if they are slightly different or unfamiliar. Unfortunately, teaching AI systems this inherent common sense reasoning is an ongoing challenge. To illustrate this limitation, consider an AI system trained to identify objects and images. While it may excel at recognizing everyday objects under normal circumstances, it can struggle when confronted with images presented from unusual angles or in unfamiliar contexts. A simple change in perspective or context that would be easily understood by a human can completely throw off an AI system, resulting in its inability to recognize the object. This discrepancy highlights the gap between human and AI understanding and showcases the limitations of current AI technology. Moreover, AI systems lack the ability to draw upon their own intuition or to make logical leaps based on incomplete or ambiguous information, as humans often do. For instance, imagine a scenario where an AI-powered virtual assistant is asked to provide recommendations for a user's upcoming vacation. While the assistant may have access to a vast amount of data and information, it may struggle to make creative or unconventional suggestions beyond the scope of its programmed knowledge. However, it's important to note that researchers and developers are actively working to address these limitations. Efforts are underway to enhance AI's ability to reason, make logical connections, and apply knowledge across different domains. Techniques such as transfer learning, where AI models learn from one domain and apply that knowledge to another, are showing promising results in narrowing the gap between human and AI understanding. Another dilemma is that when AI systems learn from biased data, they can unknowingly perpetuate and even amplify those biases, resulting in unfair outcomes that have real-world consequences. For instance, in the realm of hiring practices, if an AI system is trained on historical data that reflects biased hiring decisions, it may inadvertently perpetuate those biases when evaluating job applicants. This can lead to discriminatory hiring practices that reinforce existing inequalities. Similarly, when it comes to law enforcement, AI-powered systems that rely on biased data may exhibit racial or ethnic biases in their decision-making processes. This can manifest in situations where certain groups are disproportionately targeted or face unfair treatment, perpetuating systemic discrimination and exacerbating social injustices. The ethical and moral dilemmas arising from AI's decision-making are complex and multifaceted. They force us to confront issues of fairness, responsibility, and transparency, as well as the consequences of relying on AI systems in important aspects of our life. AI's dual nature poses both opportunities and challenges. Its exceptional ability to process and analyze massive amounts of data at lightning speed has revolutionized various industries worldwide. However, its limitations in contextual understanding, common sense reasoning, and ethical decision-making call for caution and ethical considerations in AI development and deployment. In summary, AIs can excel at tasks where humans falter or even replace humans in some aspects, but computers and robots still can't match humans at everything. Enjoyed the video? Now watch this one.